Hey friends, we'll be back into this new video tutorial with OSP Pro. In the previous video guys, I showed you how to come up with a Flutter application, coming up with the simple button navigation. So if you remember this video where we came in and tried to run it and we realized that when we say Flutter run, we found ourselves coming up with something that is somewhat nice. But now I'm going to be explaining to you more. Remember, button navigation bar is a material widget in Flutter that is displayed at the bottom of the screen. So the screen navigation bar is used to display a row of items, or the items should be more than 2 in simple term. You get? If you cross-check in all those stuffs, like you said, if you like I've said to you earlier, is that okay, there's an error there because I just going to run it because my Flutter was not yet no, that's what is giving up that. So I know you will get this type of error because I just launched my Flutter. That's why it would not do that. So in simple terms, the items of the button navigation bar should associate with views that contain the important features of the app. Doing that, it will actually help our user for the better understanding of the functionalities and how the app should quickly and maybe launch up. So this was the code I used for you guys in the previous video. So I want to just proceed with my Flutter app. This is when the and inside here in the body I just went there, and inside here in the body I just went there, and inside here in the body I just went there, and inside here in the body I just went direct, and I pass in here one on as a scaffold. Inside my scaffold I just called for button navigation bar. So I didn't pass it inside the body, I just pass it as independent. So that's some of the stuff you need to know, whereby that gives us a chance to deal with the following parameters, which is this. You get? So I hope you guys are going to understand my point, because I believe in simple term we're going to be having up the app soon, and I'm going to be launching with you guys the app that we're going to come up. So this is the button navigation item that we need to pass there, and then here this is the part of the stuff. This is the home, this is the camera, this is the duplication, and this is something else like the chart. You can even add another thing here, like for instance you want to add person, so you definitely just paste it around there and just put there maybe users, like if you want users, like for instance that, and this is just a person like that. So that definitely gives us a chance to have an app that's really going to work out for us, and trust me, it's going to launch up. Only that my stuff here is still low, but shortly it's going to do that. Just pause it. So if you check out into a Flutter application, you get something of this sort. Well, this comes in like this. Okay. But because I've added here person, if I just try to reload my application and check again, we should do get something of this sort. Yeah. So this is it. I don't know why it's taking long to load for me, because I expect the data test to be showing me up with the complete stuff. But that's it. You can always make changes accordingly, according to what you really want to come up with. Get? Yeah. But I'm going to make 4 more videos on that, so just be with me. I'm going to show you several of it on your Flutter mobile app that you can always use, how to create a custom how to create your bottom navigation bar in Flutter in several ways. So just be with me and put next time. Thank you. Yeah, so just when you click here, we should be going to different pages. Yeah, so thank you. I'm going to show you.